Welcome to Eoiin Connect. In this video, we're going to show you how to add your team. Eoiin Connect is a shared online workspace designed to make team collaboration on projects easier. For that reason, adding your team is crucial so you can assign the right tasks to the right people. Adding your team is easy. If you're an admin, all you need is the email addresses for the team members you want to invite. If you're not an admin, you'll need to pass the email address onto one of your organization's admins and ask them to complete the process for you. Only the admin can invite new members to your organization. Once you're logged into your admin account, head to your global settings. No matter where you are within the Eoiin Connect platform, you can access the global settings by clicking on the cog in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Admins will see a selection of organization settings, unavailable to general users. Under this section, you can see People and Teams. Selecting that option loads a list of users already permitted access to your organization's account. At the top right of your list, you'll see 3 boxes. In the first box, labeled Invite by Email, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. You can enter multiple emails by separating each with a comma. In the second box, marked Roles, there's a drop-down menu that allows you to change the permission level. If no option is selected, the default permission level will always be User. The third box, labeled Teams, enables you to invite contacts to a team if one has already been created. From here, the admin can also set permissions at a team/group level. The latter 2 boxes, Roles and Teams, are both optional and can be changed later if preferred. To send team members an invite, simply enter the relevant email address and hit Invite. The invite will appear in their inbox within a couple of minutes, with a link to set up their own account and begin working with you in Eoiin Connect. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Eoiin Connect. Organize your projects, connect your team, manage your work, grow your business.